Okay, I think I'm just trying to see. I think it said it was a little bit later than usual, but I'm here now. Um, so welcome to the Dr. Inia Adesanya show. Here I help SMEs thrive. And of course, if you don't have an accountant that is currently working with you, please feel free to reach out to me. Of course, the website is driniadesanya.com. I hope you're seeing that. Just go there and you navigate how to reach consultation. Of course, you can sign up for one of my coaching courses. Now, I have another interesting topic today. Of course, this is short, direct. So I might change the process of this program. And so what I do here, just provide information short because I realize, you know what, a lot of people are busy. So I know that sometimes to sit down for a long time to watch the show might be very cumbersome with these people's busy life. So I just decided to, add or provide some kind of tidbits, tips, knowledge base on various topics that will make SMEs thrive. And if you don't know what's an SME, small and medium-sized enterprises. All right. Today, my topic today is meals and entertainment. Are they 100% deductible? 100% deductible, meals and entertainment. Now, the reason why I'm picking this topic right now is because um, this is the summer season. People are going for picnics and, great things. And I know that, the topic of 100% deductible, you might wonder, but you know that meals and entertainment or meals is 50% deductible. Well, there are some exceptions, right? Now, the entertainment is no more deductible. Please make sure we know that because before you could go and watch a game with your um staff and that would be deductible, right? It was deductible. Of course, there were limitations, but now anything to do with entertainment, right? Entertainment expense that are no more deductible, all right? Everything changed with the Tax Cut and Job Act, okay? Now, let's go to meals. Now, I know that generally, you go out for business meetings, meals is about 50% deductible. But there are some meals that are actually 100% deductible. 100% deductible. And you might wonder, okay, is that doable? Yes. Now, why I decided again to talk about the topic is because, it's picnic time, people, go out for picnics. Most times businesses say, you know what, I want to do things for my staff. They do things during the holiday season and even during the summer. And good news for people that do that. First of all, kudos if you're doing that for your staff, having like picnics, kudos. Great job. Thank you for doing that. You know, that's something that also promotes staff morale. People get their staff together and tell them even to bring their families, which is kudos. But what even is great, even more kudos than that, or just not just kudos for you being such a considerate boss, is that that meals that you're having there with your staff is actually 100% deductible. 100%. The picnic, when I say the meal, is a picnic. As long, and I want to make sure we understand that it's not like you have let's say you guys are 10 staff, for example, and let's say you have three managers, yourself and two other managers, or yourself, the owner of the company, and two managers, let's say three of you, and the seven of them, they're not managers, and three of you go to eat somewhere with families, and your family, that is not 100% deductible because it's not for everybody, right? It's for specific, maybe you could be highly paid employees and highly compensated employees. It's of course depends on the definition. I don't want to go into any technicality right now, but if you want to know more, of course, you can actually consult with me. Now, highly paid employees, depending on some factors, if you go out with them only to have a meal and picnic with just them, that is not 100% deductible. But let's say I gave an example of 10 staff, everybody, exactly. And then another meal that is 100% deductible is, sometimes staff work on weekends, they work after hours. Now, if you if you have to provide meals, of course, that's for your convenience, right? For the convenience of the employer, you have to say, yes, I want to make sure that they are comfortable as they work late, as they, work on weekends. That those meals are 100% deductible. All right. And then, of course, I mean, the other one is that, of course, generally, if you want to maybe do a trade show, advertise somewhere, that is 100% deductible, right? But I'm just stepping back a little bit to really, see, okay, what is it that you can do that you can actually maximize that deductibility, right? 100% deductible, right? And a caveat too, as I'm even adding the 100% deductible, I'm talking about only meals, right? Not meals and entertainment. Now, I want to step back and just say something about the 50% deductibility of meals when you go out to watch a game. Let's say entertainment. Sometimes people say, you know what? Yes, I get it. Entertainment is not deductible, but I want to go out with my colleagues. I want to go out with my staff. Oh, with your staff, right? For example, you want to go and watch maybe a basketball game, right? Sometimes there are rooms, right? Some people reserve rooms so that the team can be your team, which means when I say your team, your staff and yourself can be in one room, right? A room and, to look at the basketball game. And then you might say, you know what? Yeah, serve food there. There's nothing wrong with serving food there, right? Now, because you went out for this, it's not really a picnic, you went out for this game. Now, make sure, I want to stress here, make sure that when you're getting the bill for this trip, this wonderful entertainment trip or gathering with your staff, make sure you separate the meals from the entertainment. So make sure you separate the meals from the entertainment. Why is this important? If you say bring one bill, and that bill includes the meal and entertainment, guess what? The meals that you took during that game, zero deductibility because it's combined. And that's why it's good to know these things because, I mean, it is so hard to tell someone to separate a bill. Difficult. But if you don't know, you don't know, right? If you don't know, you don't know. So very important for you to know this. Although we're talking about that 100% deductibility, I want you to just add this because some people still take that stuff out for that thing, which is good. But make sure that ticket sale for the match or for anything you're going for it's different. It's separated from the actual amount that you paid, right, for meals, right? Because you will not even get any deduction if you put everything together. All right. So I want to just encourage everybody there. Please go out there, as a business owner, please, make your staff happy. It's nice to when you have a boss that is not only about work, 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 it's also about, what, bring your families. Let's just have some fun. Somebody might say, oh, but it's going to be very costly. Well, it depends on what you do, how the picnic, you can rent a park, you can have, you can have barbecue, right? Depending, have people to, you can actually make it in such a way that it's really cost effective. But you know what? You can't put a price. You can't put a price on people coming together and having fun. When you have that kind of bond, right? People feel appreciated, right? And that's really good for business management. So go out there, have a picnic, have fun with your staff, but do it in the right way so that you can actually get, 100% deductibility. You want to maximum. I mean, it's a double whammy, right? Double whammy because you're having fun with your team, with your staff, but you're also taking that deduction, enjoying the tax expense, right? So just wanted to make sure that you understand that. I know that in 2021, 2021 and 2022, I believe that there was, that they allowed the 100% deduction, which was a wider, wider, it covered more, um, more items, right? Restaurant food. But really, I don't dwell on that because you know what? We've passed those 2 years. So just, let's look at where we are now. We're now in 2024. All right. So let's look at ways to have fun and just make sure we're taking that deduction. All right. Okay. Have a good one. I wanted to share with you guys. And again, to be intentional is what you need for your SME to thrive, right? Of course, again, if you're not working with a professional, a CPA, please reach out to us, to my practice. And, of course, this is for informative and educative purposes only. If you want more detail, you might say, oh, but I have peculiar issues within my practice, within my SME. SME is small and medium-sized enterprise or small and medium-sized business, and you want to clarify a couple of things, please reach out to my practice and let's see how I can make sure that that you're thriving, right? Your SME is thriving, right? Because I can really zero in on those aspects, on that what your question would be or is going to be. Okay. And before I go, just to remind everyone that I have coaching classes coming up at the end of this month, 29th and the 30th. One is for taxation. The other one is to help businesses to move from struggling to thriving. So reach out and to my office or go to my website. The website is there, iniadesanya.com, iniadesanya.com, and let's see how we can help you to make sure that your business thrives. Again, it's important to be intentional. All right. See you next time. Bye for now.